Ibn Shihab stated that Allah's Apostle ﷺ in Ghazwa conquest fought a jihad for the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah. Allah's Apostle ﷺ then set out accompanied with the Muslims and fought a jihad in Hunain. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu conferred conquest on his religion and the Muslims. That very day, Allah's Apostle ﷺ granted Safwan bin Umayyah 100 camels, then 100 camels, then again 100 camels. Ibn Shihab says that Sayyid bin Musayyab narrated to him that Safwan said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah's Apostle ﷺ bestowed on me what he ﷺ bestowed. He ﷺ was the most detestable person amongst all people in my eyes. But he ﷺ kept granting me until he ﷺ became the dearest person amongst the people to me." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5976.